In this video, we replace the paper pickup roller of the Epson L8050 printer. Please follow this video carefully and solve your issue based on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Device Doctor channel and make sure to like this video.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Lift the cover on the printer and pull out the pickup roller. After removing the pickup roller, replace the damaged one with a new roller. Now, place the pickup roller back in its position.